Welcome. If you're looking to keep your ex, formerly Twitter profile fresh and up to date, sometimes you'll want to unpin a post that's no longer relevant, or you simply want to highlight something new. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the latest steps to unpin a post from your profile using your PC, following the newest update. First, open X in your preferred browser and log into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side menu. Here, you'll see several options. Click on Profile. This will take you directly to your personal profile page, where all your posts are displayed in one place. Now, scroll through your timeline and find the post that's currently pinned to the top of your profile. Pinned posts are always easy to spot since they stay right at the top, making them the first thing visitors see. Once you've located the post you want to unpin, look for the three dots icon, usually found at the top right corner of the post. Click on these three dots to open a small menu of options. From this list, choose Unpin from Profile. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to unpin the post. Go ahead and confirm your choice by clicking Unpin. That's it. The post will immediately move back to its original spot in your timeline, and your profile will no longer display it at the top. With just these simple steps, you can easily manage which posts are featured on your profile, helping you keep your ex presence current and engaging. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your profile.